Number 10, Hatena Illusion 2020. Ever since watching a magic show held by him and his wife Mayawe, Makoto Shiranoi has always admired Mamuro Hoshisato, a world-class magician as well as friend of his parent, and came to Tokyo to become his apprentice. Kana, nicknamed Hatena, is the couple's daughter and his childhood friend. As the hustle and bustle activities in Tokyo catches Makoto off guard, such as burglaries by a beautiful thief, he depends on Hatena comforting side. When he comes to Hoshisato, now haunted mansion, to reunite with his childhood friend, he is greeted by the family's butler and maid, Jeeves and Emma, along with Hatena, only to discover that they are not as compatible anymore.
Away from Juliet, and now it's lying on the staircase, begging to please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince, and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
Number 9. Sing Yesterday for Me 2020. After college, Rikio Uzamoi, a boy without much ambition in life, takes on a job at a convenience store. The days pass by, eventually for Rikao, until he meets his former girlfriend and classmate, but especially thanks to unusual Haru Nonaka and her pet Raven. Number 8, Love is War Season 2 2020. Considered a genius due to having the highest grade in the country, Miyuki Shirogane leads the prestigious Shuchin Academy Student Council as its president. Working alongside the beautiful and wealthy Vice President Kaguya Shinomiya, the two are often regarded as the perfect couple by students, despite them not being any sort of romantic relationship. However, the truth is that after spending so much time together, the two have developed feelings for one another. Unfortunately, neither is willing to confess, as doing so would be a sign of weakness. With their pride as elite student on the line, Miyuki and Kaguya embarks on a quest to do whatever is necessary to get a confession out of the other. Through their daily antics, the battle of love begins. Number 7, Kyoko Surai. At the young age of 11, Kotoko Iwanaga was abducted by yokai for 2 weeks and asked to become their god of wisdom, a mediator between the spirit and the human world, to which the girl quickly agreed, but at the cost of right eye and left leg. Now, 6 years later, whenever yokai wished for their problems to be solved, they make their way to the Kotoko for consultation. Meanwhile, Kuro Sakuragawa, a 22-year-old university student, has just broken up with his girlfriend after he fled alone when the two encounter a kappa. Seeing this as her chance to become closer with him, Kotoko immediately makes her move, hoping to get married to Kuro one day. Number 6, Reike Koi 2020. Yukimura Shinya and Himaru Ayame are two scientists that want to find out if love can be solved by a scientific theory. These two scientists also have feeling for each other and want to be able to solve their feeling through similar theoretical facts. With this perfect opportunity, these scientists will attempt to solve the theory of the love they express for each other. Number 5, Nikopara 2020. Kashio Minaduki is son of a long line of Japanese confection makers. Move out to open his own patisserie, La Soleil. When unpacking his stuff, Kashio finds two of the cat girls, Neko, that his family had been raising hiding in the box, Coca-Cola and Vanilla. He tried to send them back initially, but they begged and pledges until he gave in. Now they run La Soleil together. They spend some great time with the help of Shigure, sister of Kashao, and other cat girls in their family, Azuki, Maple, Cinnamon, and Coconut. One day when Coca-Cola goes out to run some errand, she meets a kitten. The story starts with their encounter. Number 4, Mr. Nobunaga Young's Bride 2019. One day, a girl who loves me will suddenly appear before me. Middle school teacher Nobunaga has always been dreaming of such a game-like situation. However, the one who appeared before him was Kicho, a 14-year-old girl who proclaims herself as his wife. Appears to have arrived from the Sengoku era, she mistakes Nobunaga as the Nobunaga Oda and urges him to conceive a child with her. Thus begins the age difference love comedy between a girl game loving teacher and a Sengoku era expert princess. Number 3, We Never Learned 2019. His late father always said that a useless man should strive to be useful. So, to that end, third year high school student Naruyaki Yoga dedicated himself to becoming a high achieving student in his school. Despite his history of poor grades, in order to give his destitute family a better life, he has obtained an ultimate goal, the special VIP nomination, a prestigious scholarship covering all the future university tuition fees. Although Naruyaki could feasibly be so for the nomination, he is constantly overshadowed by classmate Rizo Ogata and Fumino Furuhashi in mathematics and literature. To his delight, Naruyaki receives the nomination, but there is a catch. He has to tutor his two-star classmates who are each hopelessly mediocre at the other subject to expertise. To make matter worse, the subject they are horrible at are the same subject they want to pursue for their future. At the time to submit university application draws near, Naruyaki must find effective tutoring method. Number 2, Arte 2020. Arte was born into an aristocratic family in Florence during the 16th century Renaissance era. Being female, it was unheard of for one to become an artist. Driven by her love of art, Arte is willing to cast aside her aristocratic lifestyle to become an artist. Number 1, My Life as a Villainess 2020. 8-year-old Katarina Claes is the only daughter of a duke, living her peaceful life without incident until she hits her head on a rock. And then remember that she is not actually the duke's daughter. She used to be an otaku who died on her way to the school after spending the previous night playing Fortune Lover, her favorite Otamo game. After noticing that her current surroundings seem ordinarily familiar, she is shocked to discover that she has been reincarnated into the world of Fortune Lover as the villainess. The villainess in the game usually winds up dead or exiled. So Katarina decides to use her knowledge of the game and its root to avoid any bad situation. But is it even possible for the villains to reach a good ending? I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.
You went from June